the way it works is if you open the door, the alarm fires off, but nobody's gonna do that. They're either gonna bust out the window, and if this thing ever comes with sunroof, they'll probably go through the sunroof, or they bust out that back window and get in. Shock sensor, it's the only way the alarm works right now is somebody opens the door, but I can literally take a baseball bat and destroy this whole car, and as long as I don't open any of the doors, I'm gonna be okay. So we added the shock sensor to give them that aftermarket alarm system without having to install another alarm on top of another alarm and have them carry an extra fob around. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the window, and that will fire off the alarm. You hit the unlock. I'm gonna relock it. And then we'll just do the back glass real quick, and that's pretty much it. Our numbers is 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. If you're out of state, don't worry, we got you. Give us a call. We sell you the DIY kit, and we do have the installation video for it. It's a full wire hookup. It's very easy, and with the video and our tech support, I guarantee you'll be able to do it. If you're a handy guy and you like DIY projects, it shouldn't take you no more than about 40 minutes to do it. And that's basically it. So you give us a call at 305-298-4814, and we can sell you the DIY kit. I'm gonna go ahead and bang in this back glass. And that will fire off the alarm system. Remote start works. If you hit lock and you press this thing twice, you'll get the truck to start right up.